make sure y'all tune in and let's get it. Back, you know, and it's been a while since y'all seen new footage or whatever, but we are back, and this time we are in the new garage, man. Boy, I tell you, not gonna park simply in the garage, and we here, yo. Yeah, man, we just moved and all that stuff, and stressful. We still got to move some more stuff, but you know, as y'all can see, we still got boxes. You know, we ain't really got that much storage in this garage or in this place, but it's better, it's bigger for the family. But we got a garage now, so my car ain't got to be sitting outside no more, and you know. But we finna go get some work done on Subby, so make sure y'all tune in and let's get it. Alright, y'all, we is up in Sub-Zero, man. Finna go get the tire lettering, you know, for Subby. Oh, my dang backlight on, man. Look, man. My kids be messing with my backlight. But anyway, but yeah, man, so we finna go get that done, you know, and you know, this move has been, you know, crazy. You know, we still gotta finish. It's just like a little bit of stuff, but we gotta finish cleaning the rest of it. Rest of the place is literally only our main bedroom. I gotta get some more boxes out of, just kind of sweep and clean up. You know, gotta make it presentable for the next people. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta get your deposit back or whatever like that. But you know, I'm excited about today, man. Finally get to do some more stuff to my car so y'all can see it. You know, it's been a while. So you know, I feel like the tile lettering gonna really make it stand out and everything. So I'm hype about that. But I gotta go pick up my card, you know, for my girl or whatever, cause she at work. She took my card today. You know, and then we gonna head over there to the place where we get our stuff done. But I ain't gonna keep rambling. I'm gonna let y'all just enjoy the video and we out here. Yeah, man. So just got some news. Y'all can see me. So we pretty much gotta wait till next, pretty much next Friday or whatever to get the tire lettering. I guess some stuff had happened, and you know, basically we gotta wait. Like some stuff happened with the distributor, and they was BSing my guy that's gonna do my lettering, and so we found he found a new person to do it through and all this other stuff. But yeah. So anyway, we gotta wait till next week. You know, I'm not really bummed out because, you know, it's just an extra week. You know, I've been going this long without it, so you know. But sometimes when you're working on your car and everything like that, you know what I'm saying, you get excited when you're about to get some new stuff done to your car, so you get super hype and, you know, you really go get it out the way. But it's all good, you know, things happen for a reason. You know, you got to look at the positives out of everything, you know what I'm saying? So it's just next week. That's all it is. Like, it's not like it's not coming or I lost my money or whatever, but, you know, just got to wait, you know? And when it comes to this car stuff, man, I learned that patience is key. So, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. So we just wait till next week, but I'm going to still bring y'all this content. So we just going to do something else. Anyway, let's get it. And we back. Another day, same video. It don't matter. But So since we didn't get the tire lettering, we are now just gonna do Mortal Kombat lights. And yes, I'm inside my garage. Hey, so we're gonna get these lights installed, and you know, so I'm gonna take y'all through the process. So I gotta get these lights. And, you know, this is my first time ordering these or getting these, but these right here. So as y'all can see, I already opened the box, but it's been a while since I did them. But you know, got the little sticker thingy-bob. I believe this is to go inside the car so it can stick. I already put batteries in here, but I'm gonna switch out the batteries for some Duracells because these dollar store batteries, I ain't gonna cut it because I put these dollar store batteries inside my computer, mouse, and keyboard. And literally a week later, it died. Oh, and we in the dark now. All right. Anyway, so it's kind of hard to install these when I'm recording by myself. So I'll show y'all the end product. So right now, I think I might switch out those lights too, you know, and then make them blue. I still got my spare, so everything in here will be blue, including that, because I got my backlights. Backlights is blue. You know, super simple, but you know, it makes the car stand out. So I need to see where I'm gonna put these. I might just put them right here. It's hard to see because my car is black and I'm doing it at night, you know, inside the garage. So, but I'm gonna show y'all the ending product. Like I said, these was like $10. I don't know, but you know, the last time I got these, I actually got them installed and inserted, got drilled in, and all this other stuff. But you know, I can do that one two-handy, but you know, but now this how they come, makes it way easier. Also, it comes with like the little projector thing, so that's tight because now I can just order these if I want something different. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. See how to live. But yeah, so I'm just order those if I want to switch it out. Maybe actually get Sub-Zero in there. But you know, but I'm gonna show y'all the final product when it's done. You know, so y'all just stay tuned. So y'all can kind of see what they look like. You know, they got the little button. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know, cool little. Oh look, I can put it on my car. I can't even show y'all. There you go. That's what it look like. But as soon as I put the Duracells in there, it's gonna be even brighter. All right, well, the car's done. I had to move the car out there so y'all can really get a good look at it. The only downside is, hold on before I go out there, the only downside is these lights cut off every, I think like it's like 30 second, it's like a 30-second time window. So if I do car shows, I gotta make sure they stay on. So I gotta find a way how to do it or something. I don't know how, but I'll probably find somebody, maybe like wire them in or something. I don't know, but as of right now, they look cool. Come on, take a look. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, I actually think I'm gonna take that light out right there, just so it can just be black, because I wasn't gonna make it blue, but actually I'm gonna see what it looks like when it's blue. So, you know, like I said, because the back ones are blue. Let me know what y'all think. If I should like make it blue with that, I'm gonna look at it right now and see, but I'm gonna just have to play with it, see what I like. Oop. Down blurry. There you go. But yeah, it's coming along good. So after long thought about everything, I just decided to go with the blue lights with the symbol. If I change my mind, I'll just take it out, but right now that one kind of stuck with me. So whenever I open up the doors, it might be hard to see a little bit, but it looks way better in person. And that way, if the light cut off or the symbol cuts off, there'll still be blue lights all throughout the car. So that's kind of what I decided to go with. But that's the end of the video. I feel like, you know, just make a little quick video or this little process. You know, I'm sorry I couldn't really show y'all the process of it, but
You know, just something quick. It's coming along. We coming along real good. But anyway, like, subscribe, and comment, all that good stuff. All right.